Hey guys, welcome back to Bunny Brick Designs. I'm Cindy. I've got another episode for you. We're going to be doing another unboxing. So I got in my bargain bead box for October, and it is the Falling Leaves collection. So we're going to open this together, and I'm pretty excited about this. That was not the most graceful dumping. So this month's collection looks like it's a bunch of greens and oranges and rose gold. So we're going to go through this together and take a look at what we've got. So first off, we have a 30 by 22 green aventurine pendant. And that would be this one. So I'm going to take it out and let you take a good look at that. That is really pretty. I like that. I like the detail that's in that. I don't know if you can see the detail really well. Can you see the... Yeah, there you go. It's got a lot of nice carvings. So that's going to be fun to use. Next, we have 2-piece 26 by 15 green aventurine carved leaf pendant bales. And so that's these. And so it comes with these little bales that you can add. Those ends are silver. I don't really like mixing metals, so I might do something separate with those. But those are really fun. I like those. Those are going to make a great pair of earrings. I don't know if I'd use them as pendants, but I think those would make fun earrings. Next, we have 6mm green aventurine, I don't even know how to pronounce that, round beads, 15-inch strand. And that's these. I like these. I like this color green. It's kind of a... I don't even know if you want to call it like a mossy green, olive green. Really pretty. So we have that. And I don't even know if I need to put these back in the bags. I'm just doing that for now. We then have 8mm green aventurine faceted round beads. Now these are faceted. I don't know if you can see the faceting on that. It's a very like light faceting. You can definitely feel it, but it adds a little bit of sparkle to the beads. Next, we have 10mm carnelian matte round beads. I like the fact that we're getting a lot of stone in this. I love these. They remind me of little pumpkins. And maybe that's just because I'm thinking fall, but pumpkins, leaves. Yeah, again, fall's one of my favorite holidays. Next, we have 7mm synthetic hematite rose gold nugget beads. So that is these. Those are pretty. I like those. Those are going to make great spacers for something. We have 4 pieces, 10 by 14, frosted crackle agate barrel beads. That is these. Oh, those are fun. I like those. There's just not enough of those. Make a good pair of earrings, couple pairs of earrings, necklace. We have a 12 by 10 pressed glass leaf beads in iris green. And there's an 11.5-inch strand of those. Ooh. Those are pretty. They almost look a little bit on the blue side, and I can see some yellow, but that is beautiful. I really like these. I like the way they sparkle. I like the way the veins look silver. That's going to be fun. I think that would be fun with the green. I've got ideas already. I've got ideas. Next, we have 20 pieces pressed glass leaf beads in Jonquil Magma. So different from the previous leaf beads, which were greenish in color. These are orangey pink and yellow pink. I don't know if you can see the flash. Yes, there we go. You can see the flash on those. Those are going to be fun. I like those. Next, we have 8-piece faceted barrel beads, 10 millimeter, in green iris. I always love the iris because they look purple in one light, green in another, clear in another. So depending on how you use them and what angle you're looking at them, the iris always looks different. I love those. Next, we have 53 millimeter brass leaf cutout pendant with real rose gold plating. So this is real rose gold. And I was looking at this on another video. I love this. Look at the sparkle on that. I don't know if you can see that. It almost looks like glitter. Flip it over. I don't know if that side's any better. Like, yes, there. You can see that it has almost a iridescent sparkle to it. I like this. I really, really like that. I mean, the video that I saw this in, honestly didn't do it justice. And I know my video is probably not going to do this justice either, but that is absolutely beautiful. We have 5x4 millimeter chain, and it's the rose gold. So fun little chain. I always love rose gold. It's pink to me, but next we have 8x10 millimeter brass leaf charms, which are rose gold in color. And that's these. These are fun. They're curved, so they're not, I can just see doing, so I've got ideas. Ooh, and there's only 10 of them. I might have to order some more of these because I could see doing like a leaf. Maybe I'll do a pair of earrings, five leaves like that, and just kind of have it hanging down. That would be fun. But I really like those, and they're jingly. Next, we have 4 millimeter crystal faceted bicone beads in Magma AB. And I know you can see some of those that I've got on camera that we haven't gone over yet. These are fun. We get these a lot. I like bicones. They make great spacers. I like those. Then we have 5 millimeter daisy spacer beads. Your typical spacer beads, those are fun. Going to be good in between some of those other colors. And then we have 3 sets, 20x26 toggle clasps. And these are really pretty. I don't know if I'm going to make 3 necklaces with this or necklace bracelets. I might use them for bracelets. I always like to use lobster claws for bracelets more than necklaces, just because you move your hands around a lot and don't want the bracelet falling off. Now, in looking at this, and I'm going to turn all of these over so we can look at them. And I did, prior to getting this box, I was starting to pull out some of my fall beads to make some stuff for fall. And I pulled out some of these crackle beads that I have from my stash I think would go well with this. And maybe, I don't know about the purple, but maybe even some purple with that. And this is frosted, like plum purple. I think those would go well together. Or even the purple and the gold there. The purple and, because again, I think of like purple and I wish I had more of a plum color. And I may dig out some more plum beads. You know, I've got dark purple bicones, magenta, obviously, like if you have something that's bright, magenta would go. I don't know if I'm going to add those in, or if just because I was thinking fall, I might do something separate with those. But this is an absolutely beautiful collection. I will definitely be getting more of these brass leaf charms when they become available. Just because I really want to make some really fun earrings with those. But yeah, so this is the Falling Leaf collection from Bargain Bead Box. And if you haven't subscribed, I'm going to leave a link in the description for you. You know, it's $20, $21 a month, something like that. And, you know, when you look at it, they tell you the prices of, you know, retail prices of all of these things. So the approximate retail value is $74. So for $20, you're getting close to $80 worth of beads here. And, you know, it's great. I have a lot of fun making things with it. And I love the fact that each month is a new collection and I get to do so many unique things with them. So I am probably going to get started on this really soon. And I know I promised you a clip from this past weekend. I did Midwest Bun Fest. Unfortunately, when I started shooting the video, a bunch of car alarms went off. And I don't know if it was the wind and something hit the cars or what. But it kind of messed up the audio. So I'm going to include a quick clip of what the outdoor venue for Bun Fest was. It was awfully windy, and so I didn't get a lot of time to film because half the time I was holding down my canopy. It was just one of those weekends, and that's what happens when you have outdoor shows. So, but I will include a clip, and in the next one, we'll start making some stuff with this, and I'm looking forward to it. So, thanks for watching.